to use this empty pure premium tank to chicken grills, just like to 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 open this one and put here like that. Everything need to open this one from top and bottom. So I will use this one grill for chicken or for fish, but to open this one you need to secure. So when you use grinder to open, it will not move. So we'll make a chain. Need to make a chain, chain clamp. This one, okay. Then we need to weld from this 10 mm nut, make like this. Make welding this, then this was finished. From your working table you need to make hole, depends upon you know what you need, or the diameter of this empty tank. So I make a hole already, just only finishing make hole. Then I need a turning buckle. I have some here. Okay. Then I put from the other side. So now I will make ready. Not this. This one. I put the nut. And everything is ready. Now just make like this and put this clamp like that.